Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Nathan, it's Roadmasters. So I got the Roomba E5 versus the RoboGeek 23T. Who's gonna win the awesome? Hold on, give me some sand, guy. Oh, that's sand challenge. The Roomba E5 versus the RoboGeek 23T. Let's get started. Okay, let's go look at the setup of the Roomba E5. Unfortunately, there's no way to wrap the power cable, but you do have a nice handy carrying handle to carry the robot from room to room. The E5 has a dedicated home button, giant clean button, and spot clean. Also, you have a Wi-Fi indicator and charging indicator. On the 23T, you can wrap the power cable up. Also, you have a nice holder for the handheld remote. You have a power clean button, also has a home button and a Wi-Fi indicator. I do like the fact that you can just flip the robot around like a pancake. Unfortunately, there's no carrying handle. Okay, let's have a look at the dry weights of each of the robot vacuum's dustbin. Now keep in mind that the Dser has a larger dustbin at 600 milliliters. And that the filter on the Dser is washable, whereas on the Roomba it's not washable. So what I found is you just get a handheld stick vacuum and kind of vacuum out the dust and debris from the filter. So for this challenge, I've been using about 3.5 ounces worth of sand. The 23T comes with a pair of boundary strips, which are really easy to set up. All you do is just roll it out to the desired length and then get a pair of snips to cut it. You can also use the included 3M stick tape, which allows you to make a more permanent setup. So the benefit of using boundary strips is it doesn't require batteries. Also, you can hide it under a rug or something, so it makes it more of a clean setup. The Roomba E5 uses a virtual wall system, so on the bottom of the device, it actually takes two AA batteries, which you can just open up with the small plastic flap there. And once you install two AA batteries, there's actually a physical switch, allows you to do halo mode if you push it down, or if you push it up, you can actually do a straight line, which is about 10 feet across. So I tried to get the Roomba E5 to pass the electronic barrier, but sadly it shakes its head in disappointment and it refuses to cross the electronic barrier. Here's some other functions that the 23T has over the Roomba E5. That is a handheld remote. With this handheld remote, you can steer like an RC car. The remote control also has an LCD display, which allows you to schedule directly on the remote control. You also can access 4 different cleaning patterns. Auto mode, you can do spot clean, edge mode, and also intensive cleaning. Lastly, the 23T has 3 different power section modes. Unfortunately, on the E5, there's only a single power mode. The Dser is quite quiet at 58 decibels on its max mode, also can run up to 100 minutes on its battery life. For this example, I actually selected intensive cleaning mode, so it's designed for smaller areas like this bathroom. What's nice about the Dser is it allows you to do different cleaning patterns, and for this cleaning pattern, it does multiple different types. It does edge cleaning, also does a back and forth cleaning pattern, and sometimes it does like a circle pattern. So the Dser also has the ability to connect to your smartphone. With this app, you can view the runtime. You also can view the battery life of the robot vacuum. Another nice feature is it has consumable, which monitors how long the brush has been running, the air filter, the extractor bars, so you don't have to guess when you need to replace the consumables. Lastly, this robot has the ability to update over Wi-Fi, so it's nice that if there's a feature that's broken, they can always fix it through software. Okay, do you remember the dry weight at the dustbin? I don't either. So let me recall back in the footage. Looks like we're at 9.640 ounces and the scale's showing 11.6 after the cleanup. So if you do the math there, looks like it picked up 1.96 ounces. So if we divide that by 3.5 ounces of sand, it gets about 56% score. So 56% is not bad. Most robot vacuums range from anywhere from 50 to 80%. Okay, let's see how well the Roomba E5 does with its dual extractor bar design. To make the test fair, I decided to vacuum up everything with my stick vacuum. So the Roomba E5 has a couple tricks up its sleeve. It has a dirt detection sensor, so when it detects excessive dirt, it actually spins in a circle to concentrate on the area. So I found out the app works really well, has everything you need, allows you to start and stop the robot. You also have the ability to set schedules, kind of like on the 23T as well. So both robot vacuums in terms of app capabilities are very similar. So you may notice how I came into frame a few times. Actually, the Roomba E5 was getting stuck
between the two rugs. I think it's the crack that was causing a cliff sensor error. I don't know. I'm gonna have to evaluate this. I did check the cliff sensors and they are clean, so maybe it's just throwing an error. I've been doing a lot of tests with the Roomba E5. I did a whole house challenge. I never had this error, so this is something new to me. Maybe it's just to set up the rug. So for both robots, I had the robots on the highest power setting for the 23T, and for the Roomba, it's just on a single power setting since there's no way to increase the suction. Also, I allowed the robot to run for 15 minutes. So the initial weight of the dustbin was 8.085 ounces, and keep in mind that the Roomba E5 did have some cliff sensor errors, but let's check the final weight, 11.20, subtracted 2 weights. So the Roomba E5 picked up 3.115 ounces of sand, so if we divide that by 3.5 ounces, we get 89%. Wow, that's a really good score. So if you like this head-to-head challenge, please smash the like button, helps me gauge if this video is popular. Also, I'll have some new head-to-head videos coming on this channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Nathan, this is Rollmasters, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and stay tuned for some more awesome robot vacuum pickups.